Wake up and dive into English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to uncover the various shades of meaning behind the phrase, wake up. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand this phrase better but will also be able to use it more effectively in your everyday conversations. Wake up primarily means to stop sleeping. When someone says, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day, they are referring to the time they cease to sleep and start their day. Example, I need to wake up early tomorrow for a meeting. Apart from its literal meaning, wake up can also be used in a figurative sense. When used this way, it means becoming aware of something or beginning to understand a fact or truth that was previously ignored or not realized. Examples, you need to wake up and see the reality of the situation. He finally woke up to the fact that he needed to change his habits. The phrase, wake up call, is an extension of wake up, and often signifies a moment of realization or an event that prompts action or change. Examples, that accident was a wake-up call for him to start driving more responsibly. Losing the competition was the wake-up call she needed to train harder. To ensure you can use wake up fluently, let's look at its forms in different tenses. Present simple, I wake up at 6 a.m. Past simple, yesterday, I woke up late. Present perfect, I have already woken up. Future simple, I will wake up at 7 a.m. tomorrow. And there you have it. From its literal meaning to its figurative shades, wake up is a versatile phrase in the English language. We hope this video helps illuminate its various uses and empowers you to utilize it confidently. Remember, every phrase you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep learning, and until next time, stay curious.